Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are well and fit and fine. You all are welcome to my channel Ingenious Platform, and in this video we will discuss about the travel and safety rules and the chapter number 12 of your EVS book. Okay, so firstly I would like to tell you about the highlights of the chapter. The name of the chapter is Travel and Safety, right? And the highlights of the chapters are means of transport. So here I will tell you all about the means of transport, mean what the transportation is and what the types of transportation which is available for human being nowadays, like land transport, water transport and air transport. I will tell you the different modes of transportation in this video. Also I will tell you the safety rules in the later part, means the second part of this chapter. So let's start. The first one thing that I would like to tell you about what is transportation, means what are the means of transportation. So as you all know that we use different type of vehicles to travel from one place to another place. Okay, so they are called means of transportation. If anybody asks what is transportation, so you will reply that we use different kind of vehicles to travel from one place to another place. They are called means of transport. So different means of transports are we used on land, air and water. So firstly we will discuss about the land transportations. लैंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के बारे में मैं आपको बता दे रही हूँ. लैंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन लाइक कार्स, बसेस, ट्रक्स, ट्रेन्स, साइकिल्स, मोटर बाइक्स, auto rickshaws and are some means of land transport. They are called land transport because these transportation we use on the roads, okay, on the land areas, and the train runs on the track, means except train all the transportation run on the roads. Okay, trains run on the track and we use a train to travel long distances. Some means of land transportation such as bullock cart and horse cart. Bullock cart and horse cart are the example of the carts, an example of the transportation which pulled by the animals who have the capacity to pull the particular transport, like bullock cart and horse cart. As you can see in the picture, this is horse cart and this is bullock cart. Both the transportation, both these two transportation pulled by the animals, means there is no fuel use and only animal pulled these kind of transportation. Okay, next thing is that the land transportation, so many transportations are there, like two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers. As you all know about the two-wheelers, the bicycle and scooters are called two-wheelers, means all kind of motorbikes, Activa scooters and your bicycle, your small bicycle, big bicycle are the part of the two-wheelers. Okay, and the next one is the three-wheelers. In the three-wheelers, auto rickshaws conclude, and the four-wheelers, your cars, means all kind of cars include in the four-wheelers. Generally train runs on the tracks and rest of the transportation runs on the roadside. Okay, and bus is the transportation which used by to transport so many people in the same time, because lot of people travel in the same bus because it has use space in it. Rest transportations are on the private level and this is for the vast level of people, right? Okay, now we will discuss about the air transportation. Air transportation, as you understand with the name of this, air transportation is available in the air area, means the helicopters, airplanes, hot air balloons are means of air transportations. Okay, air transport are the fastest means of transportation. If anybody asks which is the fastest mode of transport, so you all will reply the airplanes. Okay, they have to travel long distances in a very short time of span. Helicopters travel to high mountain and dense forests. They are sometimes used to travel to places where there are no roads. Traveling in the hot balloons is mostly for fun for all of us. And this is the image of hot air balloon, and this is the image of helicopter, and this is the image of airplane. Aeroplane or airplane, both are the same things. Okay, so if anybody asks which is the fastest means of transport, so you all will reply airplanes. And there is when there is no road, helicopters and airplanes and hot balloons can travel on those places also, because it is not required road or water, it required only air, which is available all around the world, right? Next is the water transportation. So the water transportation means the ships and boats are called the means of water transportation. Small ships called ferries and steamers also called carry people and goods from one place to another place on water, right? So this is the examples of ship, boat, ferries. Okay, ship, boat and ferries all are the examples of water transportations. As you can see in the pictures, these are the examples of water transport. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you understand this video properly. In the next video we will discuss about the safety rules, that which rule we should follow, which thing we should keep in the mind while walking on the road and while using the any transport. Okay, land transport. So I will tell you all the required rules which we should follow when we go to the road, right? Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.